Alright, so my wife asked me to take her to the store local to shop. So I'm gonna use this cargo bike and see if it carries us together. Now we're both on the bike. The bike actually very torquey, easy, 16, 17, 20 miles an hour. Yeah, right now it's like 20. And are you comfortable? Yeah, she's comfortable sitting. There's enough space on the back for adults. And she weighs like she weighed 130 pounds. You can put feet on the pedals. Okay. And she put the feet on the pedals, so it's actually two people can ride the bicycle. I'm holding my feet on the cargo between on the frame, like on the scooters, and she is just holding the pedals, and she can pedal it, but it's okay. I'll use the throttle only. And the battery is pretty large, so it's okay to use the throttle only because it should last like for 30 miles, about 20 to 30 miles easy on throttle only. And combined weight, it's about the combined weight would be about good counting. I'm 215, she's 130 plus the cargo we have. So we weigh over 300, probably 350 pounds probably on this bike. And the brakes actually still working not bad. We try to brake, it's braking fine. And I'm going just through alley, testing out the front fork. And we're just, it can easy, two people. And the bike is very torquey, regardless of 500 watt motor. It's enough torque to carry both on throttle only. As in previous video, it climbs the hill pretty well. So you can attach actually the kids seat on the rear, on the rack if you want to, or you can just have a second person adult on the back seat. Came to the mall and it's your time to get off the bike now. How was it?
Cool.
Cool, you like it? Oh, it's no comfortable.
It's good.
That's good, okay. Alright guys, so it can carry two people easily. See you later.
Bye.
So it can carry easily two people, and you can use as a cargo to carry food to the store, carry kids, or anything you want to. Alright, see you later guys.